Hello everyone, welcome to Must Watch Tips by AP. My name is Ayman Sheikh and today in this video we will again learn the VLOOKUP function in some different way. So let's get into the video. In previous video of VLOOKUP, we have learned how to use VLOOKUP formula of multiple tables in one big table. Now we will use VLOOKUP formula in this table, and here we want the first name, last name and country of this student name or of this ID. So we have a table over here that for 13050 name ID, the name is Jemmy and the last name is Davis and the country is Canada. So we want that this name should come in where is 130 here. This is the ID 13050. So we want this three name to be in this cells. So now we will apply the formula, VLOOKUP formula. So here we want the first name, last name and country, and we have first name, last name, country. So here we have one column, then second column, third column and fourth column. So what we will do, we'll write formula in this B3 column is equal to VLOOKUP. We will select the lookup value, then we will select the array, table array. And now first, before selecting the table array, we need to check that the name ID in both the tables should be in first column. So that is in first column. We will fix this range. Now column index number. So for first name, the column index number is 2. So we will select 2. And for this, we will just fix the row as I1. And then we want exact match, so false. You can see that we have name over here. Now I don't need to write the same formula in last name. So if we want the name, the last name to be in the C column, so we need to again write equal to VLOOKUP. Then we will be selecting the lookup value. Then after selecting the lookup value, we will again select the data range. We'll fix the column. Then column index will be 3 over here. Then again we will select false. So this way it will be time consuming. Then again you have to write the formula for country. So instead of this, I have capped 1 2 3 4 number over here only, and in this formula I have selected, instead of writing 2 manually, I have just selected the cell 2. So now if I will drag this same formula in this C and E column, so this way I will just select and drag this formula. So you can see that NA is coming. Why? Because I haven't fixed the name ID. So we will fix that cell also. So here we want that our column should be fixed and row should be vary. So we will fix A and 3 will be the variable. So now again we will drag the formula and you can see now it is working. So here in last cell, you can see that again name ID is selected as it is. Then our array is selected as it is. Now we haven't fixed the columns. We have just fixed the row, that is row 1. Now it is getting selected from I to J, then J to K. And exact match, so we have selected false. Same way for country, we have name ID as it is. The range is as it is. And for country, here it is 4. So instead of again and again writing the same formula and adding manually numbers 1 2 3 4 as a column in index number, we can directly select this way also. So this was another way to apply the lookup formula, and now we can drag the formula till the end. We'll press Ctrl D. So that's all for this video. See you in next video. I hope you liked it. Thank you.